Looping switches is one of the worst part of modding a keyboard, and for today's video I'll be doing it for 24 hours straight. And if you guys haven't noticed already, the challenge has already started and I already hate my life. Here I have 2 balls of switches, and the total switches for today's video is 743 switches. It takes 3 hours to loop 70 switches, so in 24 hours I can loop 7 times 560 switches. Okay, so it is currently 11:20 minutes a.m. Yeah, and the challenge started here, so we'll have to stop at that time tomorrow. Oh, and if I finish this challenge, I'll probably have the world record for looping the most switches in 24 hours. So, was that Guinness record? Please give me my record if I finish this. You might wonder, are you gonna go sleep? No, it's supposed to be 24 hours straight, and I haven't pulled all night for a long time now, so I don't know how that will end. I'll probably be dead on this table. After standing for God know how long, my legs started to deform, and I don't know why, but I just feel kind of hard to breathe and kind of anxious for some reason. I don't know if these switches is scaring me out, but I'm feeling something. Guys, look at this. I've closed it. It's jumping. Isn't that great? That's so cute. Do not buy that switch. After my leg getting deformed, I decided to be a smart person and go get a chair. So this is a footage of me getting a chair. That's pretty cool, eh? We don't have any taller chairs, so this is what I'm gonna sit like this for the next 22 hours. Now you might wonder, what am I watching this whole time looping switches? So currently, not sponsored or anything, I'm watching this show, and actually it's pretty cool, even though I don't even know how to cook, but I'll become a chef one day. 3rd batch, hooray! Okay, let's get started. I don't know how am I gonna finish all of this, but it's a challenge and I did this myself, so I can't blame anyone. It's 3:20, so it's perfectly been 4 hours since we started this challenge, and I'm starting to get hungry. This tummy is getting hungry, so I'm gonna give myself 10 minutes to cook lunch. So let's get started. Go. I might eat this. Oh my god, I feel like that cooking show. Maybe they inspired me. Even hard to cook because I can't see. Bread. Okay. Okay, I'm gonna have to take another 15 extra minutes. Hi guys, welcome to mukbang with me. First we have the fries. So soft inside, which means it's not fully cooked. I'm gonna finish chewing. Okay, and then we have these sandwich burger that has lettuce in it, so it's healthy. Okay, you guys hear that crunch? That's crunchy. Okay. I forgot to mention might be a twist for me, is that during this challenge, I allowed to play a game of paper, scissors, rock. So if I win, I can lose 1 hour. But if I lose, I will have to gain 1 hour. I low-key feel like a slave. 6 hours in, and I'm feeling pretty good. Nothing too much, but a little prediction is my biggest battle is probably gonna be sleeping. I'm probably gonna be super sleepy. I don't drink coffee or energy drink, so I don't know how to stay up. Batch number 5. Okay, now I'm gonna do a little funsy game. I'll close my eye and pick the switches to see which batch we're gonna do. Okay, let's turn this, so I don't know. I'm picking deep. Now let's do the top. This one. Oh, Kinetic Labs Latte. Let's go.
Okay guys, so I'm spying on my sister because I don't think she's actually molding the keyboard, so I'm gonna spy on her.
Bombastic side eye.
Now, what if I need to go to the bathroom? Of course I'm just gonna go. I'm not gonna bring a switch in there. That's weird. It's been around 7 hours in the challenge and my energy has drifted down quite a lot. You can probably see it by there are not many talking seen, but my back started to hurt probably because I've been standing for more than 3 hours, and I'm probably gonna bring this chair back. Yeah, I don't know what to say, but I'm getting sick of these switches. The look of them are just not it, you know. So I'll keep you guys updated. I'll try.
We'll see.
Oh, that feels so good. I don't want to keep doing it. But I'm not gonna quit because I'm not a quitter. Yeah!
I like her too because I don't think she likes the seafood smell.
The best part of the whole dish has got to be the seaweed. Serious, it is. Seriously, try it.
Honestly, at this point, I'm already dead inside, but let's just crack my back.
What?
That seemed like a good idea. While y'all watching the cloud moving, I have a delivery. Wow, wow. Look at what we get. We have a delivery.
Yay!
Yay!
Woo!
Bye. Really good. These are chicken pho. It's a Vietnamese food. Let's not forget that we're supposed to do this. Honestly, despite all of the negativity about this challenge, I kind of like it because it's like a way to distract me from doing nothing in the weekend. I'm doing something for 24 hours straight, so. And also that I'm gonna get a new a Guinness record. That's pretty cool. Batch number 6. Okay guys, so this is gonna be the paper, scissors, rock to pick whether I can lose 1 hour or gain an hour in my challenge. Can't wait. Are you ready? 1 round only.
What the hell?
Paper, scissors, rock. Paper, scissors, rock.
Lose.
No, I won.
You won, but then you lose 1 hour.
Oh yes! Okay, so I have a little bit of headache on my head, probably because I've looked into the screen for so long. But now I'm gonna separate the EPO maker wisteria without looking at the screen, so that my brain can have a little rest in my eyes. So, and then I'll probably come back because it's so boring doing this thing.
I'm so freaking tired. Starting to go a little crazy.
Okay, so it is 9:55 p.m. and it's gonna be 10 hours and 30 minutes into the challenge. And low-key, I'm feeling the sleepiness seeping into my body because my eyes started to slowly shutting. It's okay, I can still handle it. I'm a big girl, I can still handle it. So it is officially past my bedtime, and yes, I am getting sleepy and my energy is not gonna be high. I'm probably not gonna be screaming, and my filming technique is probably gonna get lazier and lazier. Okay, so I just made myself a banana with Nutella. It has sugar in it. Hopefully it can boost up my energy somehow. I'm not sure if it's work, but let's just eat it. Oh. Pretty good. And it is officially 12 hours into this challenge. My biggest battle is coming up. It's freaking sleeping. I think that I'll probably be dead by like 2 a.m. At this point, it was bad. I wanted to end so bad, but it's not ending. You know what's ending? My show is about to end, and now we're gonna know who's the winner, and I'm gonna watch it with you guys. Hate this part. They take forever. I just announced it already. Oh wait, and if you haven't watched this and you want to watch it, please skip this part because I don't want to be that spoiled person, but I'm doing it right now.
Bruh.
Yes, I think it's him.
Congratulations. Black Spoon on Song Joon.
I freaking knew it. Slay if you wanna slay. Okay, well now the show ends. Now I have to go find new things to watch. Bye. Hey guys, I just finished the batch number 7 and now I'm moving on to the number 8. The reason why I need to whisper is because people are now asleep. It's currently 1:11 a.m. and my prediction was 2 a.m. I would be dead, but that's a lie because I'm feeling pretty good right now. It's 2 o'clock, and what are you doing here?
I woke up.
Oh my.
Wait. We did it. Take my nose paper.
Okay, so I failed the challenge. I go to sleep. I go to sleep at 3, and now it's 8:30. Am I regretting go to sleep? Yes. Here's the story, okay? I woke to bed, was gonna only sleep for 1 hour, but then I overslept. But still, I'm gonna finish this challenge for you guys because I failed it. So I'm gonna try to finish it to make it up. Finished! Total switches that I lubed in don't know the amount of time is I don't know the amount of switches. It's this much. It will pop right now. Pop. That's pretty much it. See you guys in the next video. Bye bye!